Good afternoon, everyone. This is the English recording of what we will be doing this week. I started off a little bit quickly on this, but I wanted to talk about it now. Basically, in the schedule that we have, the 11th, which is today, the 18th are the two classes that we will have in December. Only two classes, because the next day after that is Christmas. And I'm sorry, but as a Canadian, I just cannot make myself, if I have a choice, I do not like to teach on Christmas. So I have a choice. So I'm going to give you the day off, the week off from your English class that day. That day, 25th, will be on demand. And next week, because this week I still need a little bit of extra time to put in just one or two more assignments. I'm going to put in assignments on the Moodle, and those are the assignments that I want you to do in lieu of our class on the 25th. Okay, so just to tell you that it'll be the 25th will be on demand, and then we come back on the schedule on January 8th. So basically, we only have two classes in December. Let's see. Today, I want to go over something called liaisons. And there's a handout here. Oh, actually, I should start making sure about that. There are two sheets to this. So I'm going to start handing this out while I'm speaking. Make sure that you get one of these two and hand this out. Pass it on to everyone else. Okay. Okay. We'll be doing that a little bit later, but I want to take this time to make that handout for you. Okay. The explanation, I'll have put that up by tonight. And this is the material that we're going to be using for those, the liaisons themselves. Okay. Let's see here. Here's your Quizlet material. We'll be using that. So I'll need you to get ready with Quizlet and with Counter for that material. And you have a listening quiz this week, okay? That will be due by December 26th, and your weekly reflection here. This is another video from Arizona State University about why people should study English, even if they're going to an American university. Still very important, even though in Japan, a lot of students think that, I don't really need English. I'm Japanese. Why do I need to study English? Well, this might give you a different perspective on it. Okay, so please make sure about all of your assignments that are due, basically the reflection, the listening quiz, and we'll be doing the liaisons and the Quizlet here in class. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, that was all I needed to tell you. If you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class.